But in either case, the Burial Tommy Quartet thing.
It's an album?
It's going to be like a split single, kind of like Moth and Wolf Code of Crash. It's three of them. And it's on Quartet's label.
Really? I thought you said album at first, and I got
Not full album. It's like
I really like it when there's more material.
Yeah.
Like,
Two really long tracks. Two really long
clubs type tracks.
They're not hype. They're
Not clubby, but like for DJs.
They're awesome.
It's really similar to the Moth Wolf Club thing, except Cub.
So you've heard it, you heard it?
Yeah, I mean, there's radio leaks on Pitch.
So
I posted it on
you like it?
Yes, absolutely.
It was really good.
Yes, I do. It's basically like the Burial Quartet thing, except with Tom York singing.
Okay. Yeah.
And a little bit like, I don't know, it's got a few more kind of like punchy, bright scenes.
Yeah, I can see that. That's good.
But it's got like the second track. It's just like that sounds like every drum.
He did not know.
It's pretty awesome. I love his.
Yeah, that was one thing about Burial is that it's a little bit formulaic after a while.
I still think Untruth's like one of the best albums ever.
I totally agree. I mean, I love it. What's the other one called again?
This is self-titled.
Maybe Untrue is the one. Is that the one that has Archangel on it?
Yes.
That's the one I really love. I listened to that this morning.